Okay, nice day out today. Today I figured I'll try out the new scraper blade. Underneath my oak tree here, we had a groundhog, and this groundhog made this huge dirt berm right here. And the hole was right in the center, but I guess he moved on or died or something. And now we got blackberries growing out of it. So I took one swipe already, and it works pretty good. So I figured let me grab the video and we'll try to smooth this big hill out. I'll put it on time lapse and reverse the camera. Okay, one thing that's messing me up a little bit is the angle of the blade. That corner right there is lower than that corner. So that corner is the one that's digging in all the time, and I was too lazy to get out and fix it. So my battery's almost low on the phone. So I'm just gonna back up to the tractor. I'm gonna level that out, and I'm gonna pull it downhill this way, because just the one corner keeps digging in and just digging a ditch on me instead of completely flat, and you can see the angles messed up. So I'm going to give it a little bit of a tilt to straighten it out, and then just pull this out, and hopefully I have enough battery to show you the finish. Okay, there it is. I kind of stopped using the tractor, and I'm just going to finish it with a rake because I just can't get a super finish with it. So I'm going to rake this real quick. Okay, finished product. A little bit of raking, smoothed it out. A lot of leaves piled up there. I gotta get out. Some sticks and some rocks still sitting around, but now instead of that giant, that thing was probably about 10 foot around, groundhog hole. So, not bad. I just got to smooth out the edges a little bit to blend it in. Get out some of the branches and sticks and the rocks. Maybe clean it up along the edge of that fence a little bit better, but that's it. Worked good.